Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, show season is already upon us. We are getting ready for the New York State Woodsmen Field Days in Boonville, New York. That is happening next week already. We are bringing a host of equipment there, probably 2 semi-loads full of stuff. We've got a bunch of stuff going there that is sold, and we got a few machines left that are not yet sold at the time of this video. I'm gonna go over right now what we are bringing and what is available for pickup at the show in New York. So back here we have some of our show stock machines, and if you pick up a machine from us at one of the shows, what we do is we give you free freight getting it to the show in exchange for letting us use it at the show. So what I'm going to do in this video is kind of backwards. First, I will start with the machines that are available for pickup at the show, and then I'll let you know what we will be bringing there to demonstrate but is already sold at the show. So first up, as being available for show pickup at the time of this video, this 35 SHO in gunmetal gray is available. You can see right now the sorting table is off of it. That's only for transport. So we've got that mounted up here, and that way this will fit on an 8-foot wide trailer without an issue. But we'll put that on. This comes with a 4-way and a 6-way wedge. Honda GX 630 V twin engine. You've got the Prince auto cycle valves, the marine style fuel tank, 30-gallon hydraulic oil tank. You've got a hydraulic oil cooler as standard equipment. Road tow axle. This will go 70 to 80 miles an hour down the road just fine with the suspension on it. And Loglift is standard equipment. Hydraulic wedge height is standard equipment. And as I mentioned, auto cycle is standard equipment. Next up, as available, we will be bringing an IC16 with one of the overflow sidewalls on it. Again, in gunmetal gray. This would make an awesome package with that 35 SHO that I just showed you. And this has just the stationary legs on it. They are height adjustable. And of course, you have adjustable flow control for this machine. And this can be mated up with almost any wood splitter out there as long as you have a hydraulic log lifter circuit. If you wanted to, you could put this overflow sidewall on the other side of the machine, and then these panels are removable here as well. Also available at the time of this video for pickup at the Boonville show, we have an SS3030 HD. This has the standard SSQA quick attach plate on it. You've got the tall push block, the Magnum big bore cylinder, 30 tons of force and 30-inch stroke. The 4-way wedge is included, and that's got mechanical height adjustment on it. We will have a skid steer at our site, and we'll be able to run this thing and show you what it can do. Japa 365 TR Basic will be with us. This machine is tractor PTO powered. We won't have a tractor in our booth, but we will have a PTO power pack on site so we can run this machine. This has a log lifter on it, and one-hand control, guys. This thing is super easy to use. It'll do 14-inch max diameter. We push forward to run the infeed, we pull down to run the saw, and as soon as we start to bring the saw back into the home position, the splitter starts. Got almost a 14-foot powered outfeed conveyor that comes with this machine. This machine is still available at the time of this video, so this could be picked up at the show in Boonville, and it will include a PTO shaft, and basically all you need is a 30 horsepower track. You want 30 horsepower at the PTO with a 540 RPM output, and you'll spin this at 400 RPM. And then we've got SAE 2-pin connector for the included hydraulic oil cooler on this machine. This machine can cut and split an 8-foot long log, say 10-inch diameter, in less than a minute. So that's it as far as new machines that are still available at the time of this video for pickup at the New York State Woodsmen Field Days in Boonville, New York. I will give you a shot now of all of the machines that are going there that are already spoken for, but you can still come to our booth and see them run and learn more about all of these products. We'll have a black 17XS with Loglift. This one's got about a 4.5-second cycle time, and rated at only 17 tons, it still has a ton of power to blast through some bigger stuff. So we'll put that to good use. A 28 Pro X, which remains one of our most popular machines. This has got 8.5-second cycle time, 28 tons of splitting force. We've got the 15-gallon hydraulic oil tank on it with cartridge return style filter. Honda GX 270 with electric start, auto cycle, log lift, hydraulic wedge height. Again, this one is spoken for, but you can at least check it out if you want to see this thing split some wood and get one of your own on order. Another machine that's become really popular is the 17 VSPB. This gunmetal gray one will be there. This one is sold, but I can still give you the specs and we can still split some wood with it. This has got a Honda IGX 700 V twin on it. 17 tons of splitting force, and we're looking at about a 3.5 second cycle time. You got hydraulic powered log lift as standard equipment, suspended road axle. This is another one that you can pull 70 or 80 miles an hour safely down the highway. 30 gallon hydraulic oil tank, hydraulic oil cooler with 12 volt powered fan on it, and custom in-house made fuel tank on the VSPBs and the VSCs. The Wolfe Ridge DC10C disc cleaner will be in our booth. This one is sold and getting picked up from the show, but we'll be able to show this thing in action, give you a look inside the hopper here. And this thing was made in mind with maximum adjustability and configurability. So whatever your woodyard needs are, this machine can adapt to it. We've got adjustable hopper angle. Right now you can see we're sitting kind of low, but you want more cleaning action, you put that hopper up. We've got different hopper options. This has got a wide load hopper setup on it. So the intent is, can't really tell with the sunset here, but the intent is to be able to drop a loader bucket in from here. Got a removable drawbar here and the wheels on it for getting it around in the yard. See the valve setup, this one has the mechanical hydraulic valve setup. We do also offer this with a remote option. And the conveyor has hydraulic slew left and right. And the height adjustment is just done with this winch right here. We will have the Fuelwood Splitus 600 on site. This thing has been a blast. We just got back from a little road trip to a few places across the US with it. And New York is the next stop. This one is sold, but the customer is letting us take it to a few of these shows. And we're real grateful for that. And we're having a lot of fun with it. So we'll have that on site, making some excellent firewood. And we'll be powering it with the Fuelwood power pack that you see here. There are a couple more machines that I don't have in this video today because they are still in QC, getting buttoned up for the show. They will be there, including one custom color 17 VS Power Beyond that is sold, but it looks awesome. I didn't want to reveal it in the video. You guys are gonna have to come to the booth and check it out. The customer agreed that we can run that one at the show, and it's a color we've never done before, and it turned out just awesome. Again, you'll have to come to the show to see that one, or catch it in social media after the show. But we'll also have a bunch of our firewood bagging stations, the express wrappers, wedge holders, fire rings, umbrellas, umbrella mount brackets, and a bunch of the other Wolfe Ridge goodies in our booth. If you're interested in picking up one of these available machines at the show, please give Ben or David a call and get your name on it before we load the trucks on Monday. That's only 5 days from the date of this video. And if you'd like more information on any of the products that we offer here at Wolfe Ridge, the Fuelwood, the Japa, the Rammy, including our pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, our event schedule, and much more, please check out the website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can give us a call or send us an email. I want to thank you all for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.